During its annual general meeting of shareholders, SEALSQ shareholders voted in favor of all resolutions, including the re-election of the current 7 board members, each for a 1-year term, and the election of a new non-executive director, Hossein Ranama. SEALSQ plans to invest $10 million in WiseSat.Space AG to accelerate satellite constellation deployment, space-based quantum key distribution communications, and decentralized IoT transactions. This investment will help build the world's first quantum-resilient satellite network, enabling ultra-secure communications and transactional IoT services from space. The partnership aims to connect and secure trillions of IoT devices globally, introducing a scalable satellite-as-a-service revenue model with recurring revenue streams. The collaboration will leverage WiseSat's satellite constellation and SEALSQ's post-quantum chip and root of trust technologies to provide secure, real-time IoT communication services. This technology has potential applications in industries including logistics, smart cities, energy, agriculture, and defense. WiseSat is preparing for multiple satellite deployments in 2025, including the launch of WiseSat 2.1 in Q4 2025, which will feature SEALSQ's WiseKey quantum root key for space-based quantum key distribution. The global quantum communication market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 31.8% from 2025 to 2030, driven by increasing demand for unbreakable security in finance, healthcare, defense, and critical infrastructure. Earlier at the French Quantum and Space Day event in Saint-Cyr-sur-Mer, France, there were live demonstrations of SEALSQ's quantum-resistant IoT certificate generation platform. The event highlighted SEALSQ's leadership in securing the future digital economy against quantum-enabled cyber threats, particularly in space systems. SEALSQ's CEO, Carlos Creos Moreira, emphasized the growing awareness of quantum risk and the need for proactive solutions. The company reaffirmed its commitment to supporting governments, industries, and research communities in navigating the quantum transition with practical and trusted solutions. The event included discussions on integrating post-quantum cryptography into space-based systems and building resilient space security frameworks. SEALSQ's engineering teams showcased their live demonstration of quantum-resistant IoT certificate generation, highlighting the company's market-ready solutions for protecting devices and networks against future quantum attacks. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.